Are you looking for a career path that'll take you places? From here to there, point A to point B, down here, under here, to way up here, or even higher. The Alabama Department of Transportation plays a vital role across our state, providing safe travel for passengers and successful movement of commerce. ALDOT offers career options as rewarding as they are challenging. We're looking for qualified people to help us design, construct, operate, and maintain the complex infrastructure that keeps our state moving forward. People with can-do know-how. People who are problem solvers. Team players. Those who thrive on working together on big challenges. If working away in an office cubicle isn't for you, Alabama's rich landscape and biodiversity provide a unique workspace. From city skylines to slow country roads, coastal highways to Appalachian foothills. And the jobs at ALDOT are equally diverse, from engineering to accounting, aviation to information technology, highway maintenance, and so much more. Jobs like this one.
I'm Matt Leverett, Assistant Chief Engineer for Pre-Construction for the Alabama Department of Transportation. I've been with the department for 30 years, and I'm responsible for our Design Bureau, our Bridge Bureau, and our Right-of-Way Bureau. There are lots of engineering opportunities for civil engineering graduates at ALDOT. ALDOT offers you the opportunity to do a wide variety of things.
So after I'd worked in maintenance for a little while, I came over to the lab. My main job was to break the concrete cylinders every morning and to run any kind of dirt or rock test that came in the lab off-road projects. My boss encouraged me to go back to school to be a professional civil engineer trainee to get an engineering degree while I worked with ALDOT, and that ALDOT would help me accommodate my needs so that I could go back to school and work at the same time. When I graduate as a civil engineer, I will work for ALDOT. It's a great work environment. There's a lot of opportunities for advancement, and the coworkers are very easy to get along with.
I started out as an engineering assistant, but I'm currently in the professional civil engineering training program. When I started, I never even knew that I wanted to be a PCET. I just wanted to pursue a real career, something that I didn't have to continue to change jobs. I started when I was 22. But in this time, I've put into 401k, my retirement, and unlike most jobs where you have to wait 30 days to actually begin feeding into those things, at the DOT it starts immediately.
I'm the Assistant Pre-Construction Engineer for Design for the Southeast region at ALDOT. I've been with ALDOT just over 10 years. We have a lot of training opportunities. We have the ETOP program, and when I began my career, I went on a rotation that took me through all the different departments and give me the opportunity to find which department that I liked most. There's a lot of room for advancement. I would say that the Department of Transportation, in a sense, is the largest engineering firm in the state of Alabama. There are a lot of ways for you to move up.
My name is Adriana Dunn, and I'm the local transportation engineer for the West Central Region, Tuscaloosa area. I've been with ALDOT now for 20 years. The local transportation engineer work with the LPAs, local public agencies, to get their projects done. So I have people looking at plans, submitting documents to initiate that project, and then when those projects are led to construction, I have a construction side of the section that actually visit the projects and deal with the contractors and see the project get constructed and completed. I learned the opportunities that I have to grow in the department, and I think it's a great place to work.
If you're looking for a job as a civil engineer, ALDOT would be a great opportunity for you.
If you are looking for a place that you're going to thrive as an engineer and feel valued, this is the place you want to work at, for sure.
And I would encourage anyone who's interested in pursuing a civil engineering degree to come to the DOT, where we can teach you how it's really done.
This is a perfect time to start a career at ALDOT. There's a lot of things going on in our department these days, a lot of new investment in infrastructure from the federal level and the state level. A lot of people may think of ALDOT just from what they see on the side of the road, from our maintenance activities or our construction projects. But there's a lot more to ALDOT than just that. We're embracing new technologies like 3D modeling, drone surveys, and GIS. And so we're looking for people like you with interest in those areas. ALDOT invests in its employees. We offer a job study program for civil engineering graduates who are taking their PE exam. That helps the employee be successful in passing the exam, and it helps ALDOT develop its workforce. If you're a civil engineering student, a recent graduate, or a practicing engineer, ALDOT has a career path for you.
ALDOT offers employees opportunities to gain experience, receive specialized training, and take on leadership roles. The benefits are generous, from state holidays and paid time off to affordable insurance and a solid retirement plan for future adventures.
The best part of working at ALDOT, I would say, is the people. You feel like a family when you come to work.
I felt like the department offered a good balance in between family and work.
A large group of our friends do a fishing trip every year together, so we hang out outside of work, which makes the home atmosphere really good.
There is flexibility here, and there is opportunity for advancement here. There are opportunities for individuals with degrees and individuals without degrees. ALDOT is a place for everyone.
The Alabama Department of Transportation is the place for you if you're looking for a job that matters, where you can make a difference and see lasting results from what you've accomplished. So if you're considering what's next for your career, visit the website below. We're ready to take you places.